It's 9:15 in the morning here. Roger Nietzsche. Oh, that's Bea. That's the Joey's daughter. It's foggy. It rained yesterday in Cebu. So they're preparing the area for the ginger, which they were not able to do last week because it was also raining. Going up the tank. Water tank na siya, bay. Man sila magtrabaho last week. Pila kadlaw ra mo, no? Ha? Duha lang kadlaw karong week, no? They only work for 2 days this week. Okay. So that should be ready for ginger. Klaro kayo diha, bay, no? Walang ka makitang bukid kay ano man. No?
Pagbuha sa pause ba tanawa dito.
Balik man fag.